Hello guys. Now, I like the way young people wamekuwa aware. Wamekuwa awakened about politics. Hata nimeanza kuona hizo videos zenye wanafanya the challenge ya 2027 when the results are streaming in. Wana ads wote. They are glued to their TVs, guys. That is the way it's supposed to be. Politics affects everything. Politics affects businesses. Politics affects even development in a country. Politics affect even marriages and relationship. Ile wakati Moi alikuwa anasema siasa mbaya, alisema wakati Moi was in power, anasema siasa mbaya, maisha mbaya. So for we people to have siasa nzuri, it is us the people to put leaders who can have good politics. So when we have good politics, we have development. Hiyo sasa ndio tunaita siasa nzuri. Remember, as I tell you guys, we the people have the power to elect good leaders into power, so that to have maendeleo. So come 2027, we should have good leaders in place, na sisi wananchi ndio tuko na hiyo nguvu ya kuchagua wale viongozi tunapenda. Because now everybody is aware that politics affects everything. All generations, from Gen Zs, millennials, even Generation X, na wale wengine before Generation X, wazee sasa, all of them, we are in agreement. Not forgetting even Generation Alpha, wale wamezaliwa 2013 up to now, pia wameanza kuelewa, they know what is politics. So guys, remember, as I tell you, we have to talk about Kenya, because Kenya is our business. Thank you. I'll see you on the next one.